Hi, everyone. We're receiving many emails from attendees who claim that they are not receiving Wings credit when they actually are receiving them. Before sending us an email, log on to the FAA Safety website and navigate to the My Wings page. The link is at the bottom of the Wings tile around the middle of the page. Once the My Wings page loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hover your mouse over the month in question. If you don't see the Wings credit you're looking for, then by all means, please send us an email to forflightworkshops@gmail.com and we'll take care of it for you. For troubleshooting, check the email address with which you registered for our webinar. If it's not the email address associated with your FAAsafety.gov account, then you won't receive credit automatically. If you find this to be the case, simply cancel your registration and re-register for the webinar using the correct email address. Thank you.